Long lower shadows coming in there, showing a lot of support coming in on the Dow Jones. So with a weak dollar, definitely stock market bullish. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Wednesday, 28 August 2024. Today we'll be trading long on the New Zealand, the Swiss franc and the pound, and short on the yen, the euro and the US dollar. Let's kick off with the dollar index. Well, finding support there. Are quite big black candle yesterday, making a slight new low, trying to test the 1.618 fib for all practical purposes. It tested that, bouncing strong last night, so we might be in for a retracement, although I have the feeling if I look at everything in the markets, it looks like it wants to break to a new low. But I would appreciate and really love it when it goes back a little bit. That'll give me sensible entries to short the dollar again. I don't want to chase down here right at support. So I would love to see a retracement, and that will bring the dollar back in most of my charts to structure and to more tradable areas. And that's what I'm after. My intraday, medium term, long term and short term indicators all bearish, and that's what I will stay on the dollar. Gold a little bit under pressure, and we got the bullish engulfing pattern there on the daily charts after retesting this triangle pattern. And yeah, we will see now what happens. But if it comes to the halfway mark, that's for me another entry at 2500 levels. So let's see. That's a little bit of a spike yesterday on the lower end, showing support coming in, but with the dollar gaining a little bit last night, gold is giving up slightly. But we're still on all-time highs. I would love this to close above the all-time highs on Friday. That'll be great. And then on a weekly close, that makes it much stronger. But for now, we have to fight the fight. We still have 3 days left for the week. So let's see what happens. The halfway mark there, definitely some adding opportunity for me. Bitcoin under pressure. This is exactly what I was afraid for. That's why I said we need the retest, and then we need to see structure confirmed by the market. Market did not confirm this pattern. So we got the breakout. Some people was fine with it. Now failed miserably, putting the whole crypto market under pressure yet again. So that's not structure. Market did not confirm. And my joy of a little bit of bullishness was short-lived. So we're really getting into a sidewaysness. We haven't seen something like this. We saw a third bear swing inside the sideways range, but now we're going into a really sideways range with a little bit of bullishness and then immediate turn bearish. So I'm stepping aside. I'm not buying on Bitcoins or any cryptos at this stage, except for my monthly purchases. At this stage, I'm just standing back. There's no technical reason to buy. But if you're in doubt, remember, zoom out and see what the trend is. That's the trend. It's up. It's a consolidation. There was consolidations. There was consolidations. There's a ton of them happening. It's normal. Look at the bigger picture. It makes you feel better. That helps a little bit. Then on the New Zealand US, yes, we hit the target. Now I gave this trade to you last week, Friday, and missed the target there. And then we hit the target yesterday. So well done. Great trade. Lovely profits. Then looking at the chart, cleaning it up, looking at the New Zealand, still absolutely all the sparkle. Dollar, bottom of the pile. So that's where I like them to be. And now I need the retest. Structure coming in here right at 61%. So if we can get a deep enough retracement that it will come back to this area, I'll definitely consider some long positions. Nasdaq still the flag pattern, stock market bullish on the bearish dollar here. So the breakout would be lovely. A break, a retest and a candle reversal, that will honor the flag pattern then as structure. At this stage we cannot say that it's structure. We need a solid break, a clean break, a retest, then the market must confirm the pattern and structure. Then we know that we got a decent chance that most of the traders out there are looking at this as structure. So for now, let's see what happens there. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Dow Jones needs the retracement back to structure here, same as yesterday, 50% level. Long lower shadows coming in there, showing a lot of support coming in on the Dow Jones. So with a weak dollar, definitely stock market bullish. This long lower shadows are not at a support or a resistance level or at any form of structure. So I will not respond to them, although it is very bullish, but I will not enter any trades based on that. I would like to see a retest, and then I will go with that. DAX on the week. Euro definitely flying. Still waiting for the retracement back to 61% level. Structure, resistance, support, again when it gets there. At this stage it doesn't look like it wants to come back, but I'm not going to chase it up there. I'm not a chaser kind of trader. I like to see my retracements, and I got strict rules for breakouts, and this is not one of those breakout rules. Then the euro pound falling like a rock here. Euro red zone, pound green zone. I want to be short, retracement back to 60% level, more specific to be that level there. See that long lower shadow? I like that as structure there. That's the area. When I get a retest there, this is the area I'm going to look for some shorts. With the euro being dropping from the green zone to neutral and absolutely being dead the last 2 days in the red zone, I would love to be short, but I'm not going to chase it. I would like to see a retracement. US Swiss still after the dollar short, Swiss green zone, dollar short I want to be. So this is retracing now. This is what I meant in the beginning of the video. I need a little bit of dollar strength coming in to retrace to decent places with decent structure levels. At 61%, we've got a nice structure there. So when the market tests that, I will see. I don't know if the market wants to go further and test another level, but once it cuts through, I will identify more levels for us. But this is the closest level we can use for a candle reversal. If I get a strong candle reversal there, I'll then place some shorts. Brent oil, nice run up the page. Retracement back to 50-61% level. Structure coming in at these two tops here. This is the area. Once it tests here on a strong candle reversal, I'll then consider some long positions on Brent oil. Euro New Zealand, big drop down the page with a weakening euro and the strengthening New Zealand, but I need a retracement. Back to the 50-61% level. Structure coming in there. So that support could become resistance and will be confirmed by a strong candle reversal, showing that the bears are still in control. In the euro Swiss, similar scenario, trend just turning bearish. We can see the euro is in the red zone, definitely Swiss green zone. So I want to be short here. So on a retracement back to the 50-61% level, we got a recent structure there, brand new trend. I want to be short, but I'm not going to chase behind it here. I need a retracement, and then I'll consider some shorts on a candle reversal. US yen retracing, confirmed yesterday's structure there. I wasn't comfortable with that because it was not a clear-cut level, but no harm done. US yen, same color, but dollar still much weaker than the yen. So I would like to get I'm not after a yen long, I'm after a dollar short, and this is a way of getting the dollar short. But on a retest and a nice strong candle reversal, I'll then consider some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video, and you can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.